Casey
and Rachel
in Wonderland.
Oh, look, Stacy. She's purple.
OMG, Smile, let's go there.
Let's go in that tree, please.
Okay,
Let's
go to the pig. It so smells best.
Oh, wow.
She's Rachel. Sunshine is purple. Oh my goodness.
My friend.
Yeah, you're my cousin. Oh,
Right?
she's red. Red at all. Oh, poo-poo. It's hands. OMG. But it's good. Oh, you sabihin mo kay mama mo. Hi, guys.
That's so bad. Smell bad.
Yeah,
So
it's a poo-poo. That taste is so bad. But it's a
Go
dough.
up in the tree, please.
Okay, let's go. Let's go in the tree. Haley's go to the tree.
No, Rachel.
Rachel, go to the tree.
My friend is Haley.
Yeah, your friend is Haley.
She up too.
Ah, of course. She up to, but still so good.
Looks like that.
Oh, but my father is that and my tita is that. Let's go there.
It's not that.
Yeah, it's my mother and my father. Oh my
Look.
God.
It looks like grandma. She's dead.
Yeah. It's the sad tomorrow.
Yeah.
But still so good.
Oh,
Pero naintindihan na namin yun.
Casey, let's up in the tree.
Rachel is so bad. Get out of all.
It's not
Yeah.
good.
What's this? Oh, she climbed then. It's glided, but still so good. Okay, let's go.
Goody.
Come on. Let's go up in the tree. Let's go up in the tree. Let's go. Come on, Casey. I